Meanwhile, the Trump administration has adopted a controversial and a strict visa policy since taking charge, and now the US government is set to announce a new visa restriction that is aimed at restricting what is described as birth tourism. Now, what it refers to is that women who are either pregnant or who could get pregnant, apparently while traveling to the United States to give birth to a child who could then become a US citizen, there will be curbs put on those individuals whom the US visa officials suspect could resort to this. Now, as per the US Constitution, any individual who is born on the US soil is a US citizen and therefore will be eligible for a US passport irrespective of the origin of his or her parents. Now, under the new visa laws, women who are pregnant or who may get pregnant, according to the visa officials who would be applying for visa, will be treated as other foreigners coming to the United States for medical treatment. The applicants will have to prove that they are coming in for whatever reason, but it is definitely not to give birth. And this of course, will be a conditionality, and it will be very difficult to, in fact, see as to how the visa officials will go about asking these pretty tricky questions. Now, the US State Department will be publicizing the rules today, and the new rules will take effect from the 24th of January, that is from today. A spokesperson from the State Department has said that the draft rule is intended to address national security and also law enforcement risks associated with birth tourism, effectively to not allow anyone who is born on the soil of the United States, if the parents are not US citizens, to gain US citizenship. Now, the practice of coming to the United States to give birth will still remain fundamentally legal. In the past, though, there have been scattered cases of birth tourism operatives being arrested for visa fraud or instances of tax evasion.